Reacting this.
My turn again!
Now we're gonna lose our
Miriam Racing!
What the fuck did I just watch? And why is there a comment that what are you going to I am breakdown? If he bullies by the piece of shit, I'm on it! Why am I talking about that is targeted for the fucking YouTube kids?
Thank you.
He gotta go to the bathroom. And what happened next, Stevie Bobby Jones? See? I told you Stevie Bobby Jones. What's wrong with Sparky and Ass? No, Orange got fired. He got ready at the... Yeah, I told you, Durable. Alright, take it to the hospital right now.
Pinky!
Get that pet.
That's a full episode right now!
But guys, what I want to say is so good. Bro, I need holy bleach for my fucking eyes.
Happy birthday to me.
Who cares? Comenos pisaba y como nueve pesos con la venta en Temu. Dude, they get hungry as shit, not gonna lie. I ended the video over here because the fuck is that? Anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, please. And I give you free pleasures. This dude needs to get out of my screen right now.